Welcome back, fourth grade readers. It's Mrs. Lamondo, and I'm here to bring you your Fountas and Pinnell mini lesson of the day. So let's get started. Our last lesson was as easy as pie, and today we're going to continue that by talking a little bit about themes or lessons in what we read. Oopsie. All right, so today we're all the way up to LAU 8, Lesson 2. Let's think back to a book that we've revisited often, The Other Side. Today, we're going to discuss how an author often gives a message or a lesson in a fiction book. Let's think about the book, The Other Side. What do you think the message the author wants you to learn is? So I'll give you a minute to think. Now, when I think about this book, I think about a couple different things. I think about how that you shouldn't be afraid to be friends with someone, even if they're very, very different than you. Maybe in appearance, or what they believe in, or how they live. Never be afraid to make friends with someone who's different than you. I also think about how the color of someone's skin shouldn't affect what you think about them. Another thought I have when I read this book is that change can happen little by little over time. So in our book, The Other Side, it's the 1950s, and there's a fence segregating the town. But despite this, the two girls become friendly, even when people in the town around them don't accept integration. So they're doing their part. Little by little, change can happen. But sometimes it's hard to determine the message or a theme of a book. So I have a few common themes in books that may help you when thinking about fiction books that you're reading. So here we have some common themes in books. Our first one is acceptance. Books that are about acceptance have characters that respect and accept others' differences and beliefs. We might say that could be a theme of The Other Side too. Another common theme we see in fiction books is courage. Those books have characters that have the strength to overcome fear or accept a role. We could also describe The Other Side as a book that's full of courage, as the girls kind of go against social norms to become friends. Some books are about perseverance. These books have characters who never give up when facing difficult times. Some books have a theme of cooperation. These books have characters who work together to solve a problem. Some books are all about compassion. I think definitely The Other Side is about compassion. These books have characters who want to help the suffering of others and make them feel better. Some books are about honesty. These books have characters who find it's best to always tell the truth. Some books are about kindness. These books have friendly characters who accept others. And other books are about loyalty. These books have characters who respect each other and are always loyal to their friends. Now, just as we saw, I used a lot of themes from this list to describe The Other Side because The Other Side applies to many of these themes. That's why we call them common themes in books. Many books have the same themes. So think about a book you are reading right now. Does it apply to one of the themes on this list? What about other books that we've read together? Do any other books that we've read together apply to themes on this list? You know, I was just thinking about another book that we have read together. Let me grab it. And I was thinking about Junkyard Wonders. And there are so many themes on this list that I feel would apply to Junkyard Wonders. For example, I feel like acceptance, accepting that they're in a class with maybe students who are different than others. Perseverance, they never give up. Even when they have a fatality, one of their classmates dies, they fulfill his dream. So think about books that you are reading and which themes may apply to you, because we may talk about themes in your books moving forward. All right, fourth grade readers, that is all for today. Please make sure that you read for at least 15 minutes and complete your reading response. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your classroom teacher who would be more than happy to assist you. Until next time, fourth grade readers, I'll see you then. Goodbye.